Hi everyone, welcome back once again in this Flutter GetX MVVM video. Till now we have already created our file structure and exception handling in our previous videos. In this video we will talk about how to handle API response. So for that, let's move to this data folder, and inside that I'll create one more folder. Let's name it response, and inside it I'll create one dot file status. So when we are hitting APIs, there are three cases. First one is loading, like the time for which we wait for our response, and then our response will be completed, means we will get data from server side in the form of response. And error, maybe we are not able to get the response, means there is some issue, some error. So three possible conditions are there. So let's handle it with the help of enum. So three are there: loading, complete, and error. So these are the three possible status which will be at the time of hitting API. Now again, inside this response folder, let's create one dot file, and this file will handle our API response. Let's create one class. And make it generic type. Status will be our enum status. This one. Data will be our generic type. Message, let's make it nullable. Now let's create constructor of this class. Okay, fine. So after this, first thing first will be loading. So API response dot loading. This is status. Status dot loading. Inside completed. Obviously, if response is complete, status of response is complete, means we will get data from server side. So we will handle data here. And for error, we will show message, and status will be error. After this, we'll create one override function which will return string. Not this one. Here, instead of super.toString, we'll return our status message and data. So with the help of this API response dot file, we will handle our response as well as loading time, and if we didn't get the response, means error, we will also handle that. So how to use it, we will see in next video, where I will be working with get, post, put APIs.